back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. It is Monday, April 12th, morning hours in the market, and I want to talk about 88 Energy, ticker symbol EEENF, currently sitting at 0.0214 at the time of this video, up about 9.1% on the day. Now, if we take a look at the chart here for 88 Energy, we can see that last 2 weeks ago, actually, the beginning of April, this stock had a rally up to 0.09, actually almost 10 cents. And a lot of people were interested in the stock. This stock had a lot of hype. A lot of people were buying and selling the stock. I made a video on this stock. A lot of haters, a lot of supporters, I guess, for this specific stock. And I wanted to make this video today because some new news came out. Don't want to go over really what 88 Energy does. Just want to get right to the update and talk about it. So let's just get right to it, you guys. 88 Energy Limited, they gave an announcement. They continue to drop these, PR updates or just these operations updates. And again, I think a lot of the reason, or something that does definitely attribute to the stock price, again, for these OTC stocks, is just the PR and the announcements. And I think 88 Energy, they've kind of haven't done as good of a job as they could be doing in explaining their updates, as far as, for investors to fully understand and grasp the information and then do with it what they will. But I think this specific update here, they're taking information that has kind of been known for a while, and they're kind of re-explaining it, and it's really, I think, helping this share price again today, up almost 10%. But let's just talk about it really quick here. So 88 Energy is pleased to provide the following update related to its operations in the NPRA region of the North Slope of Alaska. The highlights are sidewall cores in Merlin 1 confirm the presence of oil previously observed in cuttings. Okay, so the sidewall cores taken in Merlin 1 were analyzed at surface prior to being sent to the laboratory for further testing, and photos of the whole core and small chips from the core were taken in white and ultraviolet light to determine fluorescence. The rock chips were also exposed to solvent to observe any cut. Fluorescence and cut are indicators of any presence of oil. And here you can see the pictures. The fluorescence of sidewall cores. You can see this residual here. Definitely looks like there is oil. Again, I'm not an expert on specific things like this, but as you can tell here, the fluorescence cut and residual cut of the rocks taken from the sidewall, you can see that it definitely looks like there's some sort of significant substance or a resource. And as you can see here as well, you can see this ring. Definitely looks like there's multiple definitely presence of oil. And as you can see here, the managing director David Wall says the sidewall core photos provide further evidence of the presence of oil over multiple horizons in the Merlin 1 well. Whilst these results are confirmatory of the cutting data were expected, it is reassuring to see. So again, something that they expected, something that's kind of been known for a while, but again, explaining it with these photos allows investors to really understand that there is oil there, and they're going to continue to, get this mine going and, try to pull the resources. So again, I've explained this before, but just really, really quickly, the Merlin is about 640 million barrels of whatever prospective resource, which is essentially oil. And again, very lucrative sort of industry here. Obviously, a lot of people, if you're familiar with the oil industry, very lucrative. But 645 from the Merlin, 417 from the Harrier, 574 from the Harrier Deep is 1.6 billion barrels of oil. And someone had said in a comment of a previous video regarding 88 Energy that they could profit somewhere between $7 to $10 on each barrel. So obviously, if you do the math, $7 to $10 times 1.6 billion is quite a bit of money. So definitely something and a stock that a lot of people have interest in because of the industry and because of the mining that they're doing on the North Slope of Alaska, which is very, filled, with prospective resource. So again, they started welling or spudding the Merlin 1 well last March. They're targeting 645 million barrels, and Harrier 1 is planned to be drilled 2022, and that's another 417. So again, definitely a OTC stock, and definitely a stock that can somewhat remain volatile. But you guys, this is a stock that was up to almost 10 cents, and here we are back at 2 cents today. So I'm not sure where you are as far as an investor goes. If you have any shares of 88 Energy, what price you guys got in it, but definitely, again, I continue to remain somewhat bullish on this stock. I know some analysts kind of remain bullish, and there's some analysts that remain completely bearish. Again, these OTC stock plays are ones you need to be doing your own research on. Definitely be doing your due diligence and taking somewhat of some time here, you guys, before investing your money. Again, you can't buy these stocks on Robinhood or Webull. I know people ask me every video I make on OTC stocks. You need to get like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, platforms like that in order to buy and sell 88 Energy. But just wanted to update you guys on this. I feel like it's definitely positive, good news here for 88 Energy investors. Again, they're confirming the presence of oil in the previously observed in cuttings, and I think this is just something that PR needs to do a better job of, and I think they will do, because I think they kind of realize that they need to fully break down and make this a little more simplified understanding these PR reports. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about 88 Energy. Let me know what price you guys got in it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Please drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.